YouTube, how are you? Let me hope everyone is doing well. Welcome to Sal Wig series, where we create your perfect image and where beauty meets fashion. How is my new hairstyle? Guys, how do I look? So guys, I'm in my wig store working, guys. I'm working on this wig. I mixed 3 colors here. I think you can spot them: color 27, color 30, and color 33, guys. So I'm still working on Chantal's wig. Last week I didn't touch it because I was so fixed and a little bit sick, but now I've started working on it, guys. Do you want to see where I've reached? Alright, let me show you. So guys, this is where, oh, camera, please focus. Camera. The camera's failed to focus. I wanted to show you where I've reached. Oh, let me just get it like this. Guys, how is this wig? This is where we reached. So guys, I have to extend this extension on the wig. We want like 30 inches. Guys, as I told you on my previous video, that I got pink braids and I wanted to find a color which can match with the pink braid. But guys, you know the colors I have in my head, and I got one. I need like 3 colors to mix it with that pink braid, but I want to mix pink, purple, and color maroon. But with I have pink and purple. I have pink and purple. So guys, do you want to see that? Because last time I showed you the pink colors, so I want to show you the purple one, because I have two braids. I have 2 pink braids and I have 2 purple braids, so then I need 2 maroon braids. Guys, it's gonna be dope. Much would it them way more subscribing. So guys, let me show you the braids. So now I'm remaining with only maroon braids, but I need the dark maroon. I haven't found it, but most of them have this maroon, of this type of maroon. They have this type of maroon, so I need the dark one, you know. I need the dark one. So guys, let me show you. So you see this? I got this purple. So guys, I was still telling you that I'm gonna mix pink, maroon, dark maroon, and purple. And at the moment I have this. You think they can match this and this, and I want 3 colors, so I need 2 of these and 2 of this, and dark maroon. I need, oh my god, guys, I need dark maroon, but I have to look for it, and I think it's in Ultra. If you know Ultra, it's in Ultra, but I'll try to fix it. Ultra is a little bit longer than these braids. Yeah, this is a new brand here in Kampala. This is Rojo. I don't know if it's made here in Uganda. Oh, it's made in Uganda. Oh my god, it's made in Uganda. I always want to support my own. So guys, So I have to look for maroon, dark maroon. Oh my god, I can't wait to see the mixture of these. What do you think about what do you think about these, guys? Can it make a good combination? Oh my god, I want to make those unique braids, you know. You guys make Banayuganda ba? You know what? Banayuganda ba na? Mega hindi subscribe guys. I also have red and red and gold. We call it 27. Let me see. Red. This is red. Yeah, so guys, I want to mix this. I want to mix two of these to get that. Oh my god, to get that braid posh color blend. You know, what do you think about this, guys? I think this combination is dope. I think this combination is dope, guys. I can't wait to make these wigs. Oh my god, I cannot wait. This and this, wow, it's gonna be dope, guys. It's gonna be dope. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment here at Salary Series, where we create your perfect image and where beauty meets fashion. So welcome to our small beginning. Welcome to our small business. So guys, you can only support me by subscribing, guys. That's enough for me. That's enough for me. So for the thank you so much for the new viewers. You can subscribe, please. For the old ones, thanks for being here with me. I love you so very much. Laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it